Good morning from Prudent Prosperity, Wednesday, September the 3rd. Here are 5 things you need to know today. Number 1. U.S. stock futures are pointing mostly higher after stocks lost ground in the prior session amid fresh concerns over tariffs. Nasdaq futures are up 0.7% after the tech-focused index fell by 0.8% in the prior session. S&P 500 futures are 0.5% higher after the benchmark index fell 0.7% Tuesday. Dow Jones Industrial Average futures are little changed after also declining yesterday. Bitcoin, gold futures, and the yield on the 10-year Treasury note are higher. Oil futures are 2% lower. Number 2. Shares of Google parent Alphabet are surging 6% in pre-market trading after a federal judge ruled that the tech giant doesn't have to sell its Chrome browser, a major win for the tech giant as it defends itself from antitrust charges over its search business. The ruling, which eliminates some of the more punitive potential outcomes that were under consideration, also allows Google to continue paying other companies to place and preload Chrome on new devices, citing concerns that ending the practice would ultimately hurt consumers. Number 3. Taiwan's semiconductor manufacturing company said the U.S. is revoking its authority to ship essential equipment to its main Chinese chip-making facility without gaining prior approval, according to news reports. The U.S. ended the validated end-user status for TSMC's Nanjing site effective December 31st, the company told the Wall Street Journal, CNBC, and other outlets, meaning that the chipmaker will now have to seek separate approval for equipment shipments. The U.S. also took similar action against Samsung Electronics and SK Hynix. U.S.-listed shares of TSMC are up about 1% in pre-market trading. Number 4. Macy's shares are surging nearly 13% in pre-market trading after the retailer posted better-than-expected second-quarter results and lifted its full-year outlook. Macy's reported adjusted earnings per share of 41 cents, more than double analysts' consensus estimate of 18 cents per share. Same-store sales rose by 0.8%, while analysts were expecting a 0.26% decline. The company also raised its full-year sales and adjusted EPS guidance after cutting its adjusted EPS outlook last quarter. Number 5. Apple's lead AI researcher for robotics reportedly has left the company for a role at Meta Platforms, marking another departure for the iPhone maker as it seeks to retain top AI talent. According to Bloomberg, Jian Zhang has joined the Meta Robotics Studio, while 3 other top AI researchers are leaving Apple's in-house large language model team, adding to upheaval in that group, the report said. In July, Bloomberg reported that Meta had lured another Apple executive with a pay package reportedly worth more than $200 million as the Facebook parent builds its superintelligence team. And that's it for today.
If any of today's insights sparked a question or made you think about your own financial journey, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Let's take your next step together, strategically and confidently. And always remember, stay prudent, stay prosperous, make it a great day.